Join me as I dive into the world of Bitcoin and try to explain it in just 5 minutes. Can I break it down for you without getting too technical? Bitcoin is often credited as the first cryptocurrency and has been making waves in the financial world for over a decade. It's decentralized, meaning it's not controlled by any government or institution, and it's based on a digital ledger that records transactions across a network of computers. This ledger is known as the blockchain, and it's the backbone of Bitcoin. The significance of Bitcoin lies in its potential to disrupt traditional financial systems. It allows for peer-to-peer transactions without the need for intermediaries like banks, making it a popular choice for those looking for an alternative to traditional currency. Its limited supply of 21 million coins also adds to its allure, as it can't be inflated like traditional currencies. Bitcoin's impact on the financial world can't be overstated. It's inspired a wave of other cryptocurrencies and has led to a significant shift in the way people think about money. But despite its popularity, Bitcoin remains a mystery to many. As we explore Bitcoin further, we'll also be looking at some of the challenges it faces. One common misconception about Bitcoin is that it's completely anonymous. While transactions are recorded on the blockchain, it's possible to track them back to individual users. This has led to concerns about Bitcoin being used for illicit activities. Another challenge facing Bitcoin is its volatility. The price of Bitcoin can fluctuate wildly, making it a high-risk investment. This volatility has led some to question its reliability as a form of currency. Regulatory issues are also a major concern. Governments around the world are still figuring out how to handle Bitcoin, and some have imposed strict regulations on its use. This has led to uncertainty about Bitcoin's future. Some people also worry that Bitcoin is a bubble waiting to burst. They point to its rapid price increases in the past as evidence that it's overvalued. But others argue that Bitcoin has real-world uses and is here to stay. The technology behind Bitcoin is also complex. The blockchain is a decentralized ledger that's maintained by a network of computers around the world. These computers solve complex mathematical problems to validate transactions and add them to the ledger. This process is known as mining, and it's essential to the functioning of Bitcoin. Miners are rewarded with newly minted Bitcoins for their efforts, which incentivizes them to continue validating transactions. But mining also has its downsides. It requires significant amounts of energy and computing power, which can be bad for the environment. This has led some to question the sustainability of Bitcoin. Despite these challenges, Bitcoin remains popular. Its pros include its decentralization, security, and potential for high returns. But its cons, such as volatility and regulatory uncertainty, can't be ignored. The blockchain technology behind Bitcoin has many potential uses beyond cryptocurrency. It can be used to track supply chains, verify identities, and more. This has led to significant investment in blockchain research and development. In 2021, Bitcoin made headlines when it was accepted as a form of payment by major companies like Tesla. This move was seen as a significant step forward for Bitcoin's adoption as a mainstream currency. But Bitcoin's impact on society goes beyond just its use as a form of payment. It's also being used to provide financial services to people in countries with unstable currencies. For example, in Venezuela, Bitcoin is being used to send remittances back to families. This is helping to support people who are struggling financially. As we've seen, Bitcoin has both potential and pitfalls. Its impact on the market and society will be closely watched in the coming years. In conclusion, Bitcoin is a complex and multifaceted technology that's still evolving. Its role in the financial system is still being defined, but it's clear that it's here to stay. Bitcoin's future outlook is uncertain, but it's likely to continue to play a significant role in the world of finance. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting to learn about cryptocurrency, Bitcoin is definitely worth keeping an eye on. As we wrap up this video on Bitcoin, I want to summarize the key points we've discussed. From its decentralized nature to its potential uses beyond cryptocurrency, Bitcoin is a technology that's full of possibilities. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on Bitcoin in the comments. If you're interested in learning more about cryptocurrency trends, be sure to check out my next video.